We've just acquired this BMW. It's the X3 2 litre diesel automatic M Sport. Absolutely lovely condition in a very rare colour. Metallic red cream interior. It's got park distance control. Full M Sport body styling kit. It's in lovely condition. Electric tailgate. Boot area space is in lovely condition. Got the load area covers there as well. To the rear, seats beautiful. It's a really classy looking colour combination. Got electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats. It's got satellite navigation, the widescreen. Got 3-stage heated seats here, climate control, Bluetooth connectivity, got DAB, full menu, cruise control and automatic headlights. Had DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 750.